Hi, I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga, and today I'm going to answer a question about after umbilical hernia repair. So after you have your umbilical hernia repair, I had a question from a woman. She said she had flat abs before, she had her umbilical hernia repaired, and now she's got this kind of pooch. And she was a little bit concerned about that because, like me, she was a Pilates instructor, and we do tend to value not being poochy when we're trying to talk to other people about how to not be poochy. So it's natural that she was concerned about this. However, that is also just a part of the procedure, and it's a temporary part. Okay, think of it like this. You have just had a repairing surgery where they have gone in and either sewn the hole back together or they have put in a patch. All right, so either way, you have a foreign object of the thread or glue if they use that, or your patch material. Now, your body feels some sort of way about foreign material. That's how we don't get sick. You know, that's how the immune system fights germs to get them out of the body. So your body has to process and figure out what the heck it's gonna do with this new material that showed up. Plus, on top of that, you've got your incision, so it's trying to heal that wound, it's trying to figure out what this new stuff is, and it's really kind of irritated about it, okay? So there's gonna be swelling initially while your body tries to process what's going on and to decide what it needs to do to keep you healthy. But the good news is this is a very temporary situation. Yes, you'll have that swelling, kind of like in a donut around the belly button area, but over time that will go away. As things heal, as your body accepts the foreign material, as it heals your incision, then that swelling will go down. If you're looking for more information about umbilical hernia repair, head on over to my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.